Hello everyone, Denise here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Crochet Society box. This is, I believe, box 43, but I could be wrong. I've only received, let's see, this will be my fourth box. So this is the first box that is sent to everyone after Sarah Jane left Crochet Society. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It says, "You are a child of the universe." I like these cute little flowers. So it's bright pink instead of the pastels that were the colors of previous boxes. Wow. Very nice. I'm going for this one because it is very nice. Wow, this is a lot of yarn. 100 grams, Color Rush DK. Signet, I think that says. Signet Yarns Ltd, 12 to 14, Adeline. Oh, that's their address. Shade is Dust Storm. Very beautiful. 100 grams, 100% superior acrylic. Machine wash 40 degrees Celsius, hand wash 40 degrees Celsius, cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, do not iron. It says it has 360 meters. I believe that's what it says there. So I'll put the yardage on the screen because I don't have that memorized, how to convert over. This is very nice. This is, wow, this is a lot of yarn. So 300 grams of yarn. Take a look at the colors. So this is like orange and like a yellowy mustard, purple tones, pink in there. Just beautiful. So pretty. Okay, and this one's just as pretty. This has lighter tones. It has blue, teal, pink, purplish, white cream, gray, sort of a gray green almost. So pretty. And then this one is a lot of greens and some like a bluish white in there. This colorway is called Violet Ice, and this colorway is called Waterfall. Beautiful. Wow, that's a lot of yarn. Impressed with the yarn. Okay, and then we got a crochet hook. It matches Waterfall. Yes, it does. It's a 3.75. We have a stitch marker here that's an adorable flower. I love that. What is this? Light bulb stitch markers. Very nice. They almost perfectly match my mitts. A little more of a blue tone, no? A lot of them in there. I don't know how many's in there, but that's quite a bit. What is this? Enamel pin badge. Be happy. Oh, that is really cute. Take a deep breath and crochet. Strive to be happy from your Crochet Society. I like that. It has a hook and yarn. Aw, that's one of my favorite pins I've ever gotten. What's this? Oh, it's several things. It's eyes. That's why you don't just pour things in your hand. You look before you pour. I'll lose them. No! One went on the floor. Okay, I will get it. Feeling around. Then we have this adorable tape measure. Be cheerful, be cheerful, be cheerful, be cheerful. Very cute. And what is this? My paw in there and get it. It's a little drawstring bag. Be gentle with yourself. Sweet. It's a good size. It will fit a good ball of yarn in here like this. One or two of those. So a good, nice size project bag. I'm guessing that the yarn calls for this size hook, and that's why it's in there. And then we got the book. I don't think there's anything else in there, is there? That was a lot of stuff. I feel like that's way more than the norm. May 2023. It is much brighter than the previous boxes, and I don't care one way or another because I like all colors. Whoa, I love this blanket. Make sure there's nothing on the page that I can't share. This blanket is cool. Doesn't look like there's anything. No. Check that blanket out. That's a cool blanket. I like that a lot. So it talks about Signet yarns. It is self-striping yarn. Doesn't say the yardage in here, just says the 360 meters. I am thoroughly impressed with this box. Oh, there's a better picture. I love that blanket. I love the blanket. There's so much in this box. It is unbelievable. This purse is really cute. Purse, bag, whatever. Very cute. And the back is stripy. A pattern in there for that. A little inspiration in the middle here. I guess you could take that out and hang it on your wall as well. It's I'm not gonna read it all, but it's just like it's okay, things are gonna get better, you got this type of thing. Just looking through the catalog a bit. That's an adorable monkey. There's a passcode on that, so I'm not going to show that, but I can show you the monkey. He's really cute. Momo the monkey. You can make a cowl. It's nice. Your makes are back here. I don't know them. I don't know any of them. Very cute though. Then there's a sweater in here. That's really cute. Not a me sweater, but it's cute. It's got tulips on it. Let's see. It just says why subscribe on the back. So yeah, I like it a lot. The difference between the boxes is a lot. There's a lot of yarn here. There's also more goodies in here. The book is a bit different. It's not squared at the spine here like the other ones that I have received. That's not a big deal. It doesn't matter. Now I'm conflicted. I planned on canceling I honestly planned on canceling after this box. I wanted to see what it was like without Sarah Jane in the picture, and quite honestly, I'm impressed. Like, I was impressed before, and I liked everything I received before. I have a like for this box, so it's not that I'm disappointed from, you know, what I had received before by any means. But I did fully intend to cancel after I knew what the new boxes were going to be like. Not that I figured, well, I'm just going to be disappointed, so I'm going to cancel. It was more of, do I find it personally worth the $48 I pay every other month? I know that includes shipping, but see, in my mind, I think, can I go to the store and can I pick up $48 worth of things, yarn, things, whatever, $48 every other month, and be happier or just as happy with what I purchase? So I weigh it that way. I know a lot of people don't include the shipping because things have to be shipped to you. But quite frankly, if I had $48 in my hand, I'm not going to worry about shipping something to me. I'm going to go buy myself something, right? So that's how I weigh it. I weigh it as though, would I be happier if I spent $48 locally without shipping anything to me, or finding something that could have free shipping and getting $48 worth of stuff sent to me every other month? So it's hard. It's a hard sell to me, and it's not that the $48 makes or breaks the world in our world. It's $48. Like, you could spend that on one meal if you went out. It's that, is it worth it to me? Is it worth $48 every other month to receive this box? I think the most painful part about this box is that I have to wait for it. And I know that's probably a plus to a lot of people, but with my brain and the way I am, waiting for something it's excruciating at times. So now I'm really conflicted. Now I want to keep getting the boxes because I feel like it's definitely worth the $48 that I pay. I would not be able to receive this yarn anywhere without ordering it. So I don't know. I'm leaning towards I'm probably going to keep it because I'm really happy with this box. Like, I was happy before. So measuring my happiness before to my happiness now, if the boxes continue to be as goodie ridden as this one and have as much yardage and yarn, yeah, I'm gonna keep getting them because this is a heck of a deal for all the things that match and go perfectly great together. I think one of my favorite things are the light bulb pins. So, I mean, yes, I probably will continue getting the box because this is worth it to me. 300 grams of yarn, a tape measure, a cute pin with a crochet hook and a ball of yarn on it that says "Be Happy." You know, that's awesome. The flower stitch marker and the light bulb pins, and then the eyes. I'll be honest with you, the eyes I don't care about. I purchased a ton of eyes back in the day. I mean, I'm not even kidding. A ton of them. So I have so many of these. So that, I mean, that's cool. Well, you know, whatever. If I didn't have them, that'd be really awesome, but I do have them. So that's not a big deal to me. It probably will make a lot of people happy because I know a lot of people do amigurumi. So, but yes, I really think that it is worth the $48, all of this stuff. And you know, if I was the person who didn't count the shipping, then it's really, really worth it. So yeah. So those are my thoughts on the box. I can't remember in here what had eyes. What would we need eyes for? Maybe it's a bonus pattern, because I don't remember seeing eyes other than on that cute monkey I showed you. Yep, that's what it is. The eyes can either go for a chubby bunny or a monkey. That's what it looks like to me. I'll show you the, let me slide it in here real quick. He has eyes. So the monkey or the bunny. Yeah, I'm very happy. I am very, very happy with this box. And it's more about the yarn to me than anything. The yarn is fabulous. Like, that's a lot of yarn. I'm happy with the 300 grams of yarn. So I will probably keep the box until it doesn't make me happy anymore, and then I will cancel out. But this is this is definitely worth it. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And until next time, guys, bye.